you just put a date on it? It is relatively simple. It should not be a big ask, Ceann Comhairle. Can you put a date on it, please?
And the answer, and the very, sorry, excuse me, no, excuse me, members. There is no point of order. I just, in order. In a minute, Deputy, resume your seat. If Deputy Boyd Barrett is to speak, I would just ask, rather than actually shouting at me and jumping out of your seat, I'm prepared to hear you. But the reality of a date in this regard is I cannot, because I have not yet received all the submissions. Now, excuse me, Deputy Boyd Barrett.
The OPLA's advice and the legal advice you were given, and you committed to doing that. Can you tell us when the Opposition and the Business Committee will see the legal advice that led you to make your provisional decision?
As soon as I have received all the submissions and had a chance. There is a process to be undertaken. That process, excuse me, that process won't even begin until the close of business this evening, when all submissions are received. Thank you, Deputy.
Ceann Comhairle, I see here there's a massive conflict of interest, and I have done this in a submission from Independent Ireland in the conflict of interest. The Regional Independents nominated you as Ceann Comhairle, and I believe the conflict, if this was any court of this land, a judge would not be allowed to preside over a family case, would they? So in this case, I would ask that the Ceann Comhairle, not taking into the Ceann Comhairle's character, I'm not taking into the Ceann Comhairle's character, but in the interest of fairness and the protection of the Ceann Comhairle, they should have to step aside and let somebody else deal with this issue,
Deputy,
not taking the character.
Everybody. Thank you, members. Everybody in the House. No, Deputy, you've had.
3, I'm entitled to propose an amendment to this order of business.
Well,
so
on that basis, Deputy,
I'm proposing that we suspend the Dáil and convene an urgent meeting of the Business Committee to deal with the outrageous proposition that we don't return next week in this Dáil, with the outrageous proposition that 39 TDs in Sinn Féin will be allocated 10 minutes, the same as your government group in opposition. I mean, Michael Lowry is a member of the opposition.
Deputy.
Michael Lowry, who stood outside this building and said,
Deputy,
we will support the government in the good days and the bad. Of all 7 of them, he's a member of the opposition. For God's sake,
Deputy,
you're making a mockery of democracy here. And Taoiseach to come and Taoiseach right now. You know, you designed this situation today. You have it in your power to resolve this issue. They should have speaking rights from the government side.
Deputy,
that's where they belong. So I'm proposing we suspend the Dáil now. That's my proposal.
Deputy Carty, you're out of order. Please resume your seat. Please, allow me. Deputy Carty. Deputy Carty. Deputy, resume your seat. Resume. I'm afraid. Deputy. This is a test of you, Ceann Comhairle. I'm so sorry you're failing. Deputy, I have. Deputy, I'm going to give you one opportunity. I will have to suspend the House. I'm afraid. Resume your seat. If we're going to be left. Yeah. Thank you. We will suspend. Deputy, please resume your seat. Resume your seats. I am going to be left with no option, Deputy. I will be left with no option. We suspend the House. I suspend the House for 15 minutes.